we're going to move on to doing some reading comprehension. So go ahead and flip in your books to page 72. For una lectura cultural. See? The goal is to read about things to do in San Antonio and Miami. Then compare what teens do in those cities with what you like to do with where you live. So I'm going to give you some time to read this and try to answer these questions. Comprendiste. Now, my first point to you guys is this word that looks like hey, that means there are or there is. So ki means like what is there in San Antonio. So please pause this, read this, work on your reading comprehension. Again, you can make the page view bigger or smaller, and then unpause the video and we'll talk about the answers. Go. Okay, so hopefully you read them. They have these little words at the bottom that help you. KI in San Antonio. Well, it says in San Antonio, Texas, so there are or there is, parques de diversiones, museos, el Paseo del Rio y el Alamo. So all of those answers would be a good answer for KI in San Antonio. ¿Qué les gusta hacer a muchos chicos en Miami? So here we're talking about San Antonio. Here we're talking about Miami. So let's go over here. In Miami, Florida, si hace buen tiempo, si means if, without an accent. With an accent, it means yes. Si hace buen tiempo, a los chicos y las chicas les gusta andar en patineta or montar en bicicleta. So those would be good answers to say. Also, we have después de las clases, after class. A muchos chicos les gusta pasear con los amigos por la calle 8. So that's road 8 or street 8. Calle. That's what calle means, a street, and ocho obviously is 8. En la pequeña Habana de Miami. That means the small Habana. Remember, Habana is the capital of Cuba, the little Habana, Cuba, but it's in Miami. So that's a few things you could have said for number 2. And finally, número 3, ¿qué hay en la pequeña Habana de Miami? Allí, there, es posible comer sándwiches cubanos y beber jugo de mango. So, ¿qué hay? Me parece que hay sándwiches, sí, jugo de mango. So I would imagine there are stores or little vendors that sell those things, right? They're good streets to walk on, right? It says, les gusta pasear con los amigos por la calle 8. And finally, ¿y tú? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Qué te gusta hacer después de las clases? So by now you should be able to respond to those questions. ¿De dónde eres? Remember, eres is a conjugation of ser. That means de is from, donde is where, and eres is you are. So from where are you? ¿Qué te gusta hacer después de las clases? What do you like to do? Remember, hacer is to do. Después is after, después de las clases, after class. So you could say, soy de, right? I am from, soy de Greencastle, Indiana. Soy de Greece. Soy de Michigan, right? You could say, me gusta pasear después de las clases. Me gusta pasar un rato con los amigos después de las clases. Me gusta comer pizza y las papas fritas. Or, me gusta comer pizza y papas fritas después de las clases. I don't need to say las papas fritas because I'm not talking about specific French fries, just French fries in general. Okay, hopefully that helped you a little bit with your reading comprehension. Let me make sure that I got everything I wanted to hit. Okay, I believe I did. So please go ahead and look at those next few slides, do your homework, and then have a great weekend. Adios, mis estudiantes.